Environmental liability valuation is where the dollars and cents meet the environmental issues of today. So if you have to clean up a site, you have a Superfund site, and you want to know how much is it going to cost to clean up that site, that's environmental liability valuation. If you have multiple parties trying to determine who is going to have to pay for a cleanup, the allocation portion of that incorporates the environmental liability valuation analyses. It brings in the knowledges of the complex environmental issues with modern and typical financial and economic calculation techniques. What something's going to cost, the dollars and cents are what drive the projects. Without the money, without the funds, without the participating parties, the projects don't happen. And so that's why the environmental liability valuation component of a project often can be critical to whether a project will be successful or not. I find that very satisfying about the work that we do. We all realize that you need the funds, you need the money in order for the most interesting projects to proceed.